so before we get into the top 5 trimmers, all right, in my collection, I got a package that I forgot to open up last week, all right, from StyleCraft. Let's just open it right up. Boom, bang, bing. These are some shavers, basically. Here's the flyer. StyleCraft Pro Flex. These shavers actually have a bend to them. StyleCraft hit me up. They actually showed me like a little preview of them before, you know, before I'm seeing it right now, so I kind of know what to expect. As you open it up, of course, I never care about the pamphlet. I don't know, it might have a warranty or something to it, but me, I can care less about that. Let's just get into the shaver. Comes in this nice package that you gotta, the experience is definitely refreshing. All right, here we go. The flex shavers right here. As you can see, it comes with that bend. Feels ergonomically good in hand. Definitely has that thumb kind of or finger imprint right here. Feels good in hand. Let's hear it out. Let's test it out. Oh, this got different modes to it. Hold on, wait a minute. Hold on, let's just. All right. This do a little something. This definitely does a little something. Hold on, let me turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up, cause then I'm black. I hit you with the fact that the God is immortal. Ooh, and you can turn it down? Turn it up. Alright, these things feel powerful. These things is getting a little vibration in hand. How long okay. StyleCraft is doing it, 100%. It tells you like 100%. You can't see that because it's the glitch of the camera and the LCD. It's dang near a smart shaver. All right, that's what I'm pulling from this. All right, it definitely has different modes, different things that you could do with it. Feels good in hand. StyleCraft is innovative. They're coming out with dope new products every week, it seems like. Let's just be real, every week. But all right, that's what I got to show you. Make sure you pick it up at stylecraft.com or gamma.com, or you know where to get it. All right, amazon.com, type in StyleCraft Flex Pro, get yours today. All right, let's get into this video. Let's go. All right, so basically when it comes to trimmers, this is basically the best part of cutting hair, period. All right, the lineup is what completes the cut. The lineup is what makes the cut pop. Listen, you could have a bad fade, but if you got a good lineup, we will kind of dismiss the fact that we got a bad fade if the lineup is cool, all right? Let me tell you about a story real quick. Before we jump into it, let me tell you about a story. This is how I started cutting hair, all right? My dad messed me up. My pops messed me up, okay? Went to school, PE first period, I was playing basketball. Whew, you know what I'm saying? Buckets. I was all right. So one dude decided to look at my haircut. He said, man, I thought you had a taper. Everybody in that group started to laugh, mainly because they seen the haircut all the while I was playing basketball and didn't want to say nothing. So it was funny to them when he said I had a taper. So immediately I ran home. But let's rewind real quick. When my pops cut my hair, I had waves, gave me a fade. I looked in the mirror as long as my lineup was clean. I didn't really care about the fade like that. I went to school confident. Everything was cool. The line was straight. Everything was good. But the fade, I went home, cut my own hair off. Leads the story on why I cut hair today. Thanks, Pops. So like I said, if you got a decent fade and you got a crispy lineup, you winning, all right? So the lineup is the best part, period. I don't care what nobody say. So with liners, basically you have your brands. Alright, now I'm gonna be real with you. I'm gonna come out and say it cause ain't nobody finna say it. Ain't nobody finna come out and tell the truth, you know what I mean? I'm about to expose all of these clipper companies, all these companies that sell liners. I'm about to expose in this video and do the Cat Williams. I'm telling the truth. First brand on the chopping board is Andis. I started with Andis, alright? Andis with the corded GTX. Still to this day, one of the best, hands down, the most versatile liners you can have. Don't be fooled by the cord, because the power that that trimmer delivers is nothing short of greatness, all right? Now let's fast forward. Andis started to make the trimmers cordless. And when they decided to make the Andis T outliners, I'm gonna tell it like it is, it ain't even hitting on nothing. And I said it, the Andis T outliner cordless is trash. Anybody that cuts with the Andis cordless T outliners, I don't know what you're doing. Do better, Andis. So there's a lot of brands out there as far as trimmers go. I'm just talking about the bigger brands, all right? I'm not talking about the ones that just came out, you know what I mean? I'm talking about some brands that have skin in the game, all right? They've been here for a minute. But I gotta admit, I still use, to this day, the Slimline Pro. Now you talking about a Slimline Pro that hit? Get you a Slimline Pro, get the modified blade on here. The modified blades are always a must. Anytime you got liners, find you somebody that can sharpen them. Find you somebody with some modified blades, because this right here is still good money, all right? And the way I use these is the clients that got the little vertical bar, and it's kind of hard to, these are, I'm telling you, because most liners out there had that TY blade, and it's just too fat in that area. You could kind of slice somebody's eyebrow off, you know what I'm saying, if you don't got something like this. So coming in at number 5, Andis Slimline Pros, all right? These right here, these are hitters, all right? These are must-have in your arsenal. Why? Because of the thin blade, you can get these modified. You just gotta find it. You gotta find people that do it. You can modify these blades. This trimmer lasts a good while. And it's just an all-around trimmer when it comes to getting in those tight areas. So the next trimmer I want to bring up, I said I wasn't going to talk about like the newer companies, but you got to give credit to the Cocos. Cocos are definitely an upcoming trimmer that's just taking over the game right now, man. It's a dope trimmer. I can't turn it on. It's dead right now. I thought I could turn it on, but the LED comes on. It feels nice in hand, and it gets the job done. All right, it gives a crispy line. Have yet to put a modified blade on here. You know what I mean? And I don't think if I could take like a Babyliss trimmer and put it on here, I have yet to try. But if anybody does the Coco modifications for blades, hit me up, let me know. The Barberez, I think I said it right. The Barberez, let me know, okay? You know who I'm talking about, just let me know if you do it, because I need a blade for these Coco trimmers, all right? Coming in at number 4, the Coco trimmers. These right here, like I said, these is hands down some trimmers that you gotta have in your arsenal, based off of the design, based off of the weight, based off of the quality, based off of the lining that it provides, all right? Coco trimmer, they out here doing their thing. Now let's talk about Wall, okay? Wall had, the detailer had the game on lock with the detailers, with the cord. I'm talking about with the cord. You new barbers out there, y'all got the privilege to, you know what I'm saying, your first experience is cordless. You don't even know what it's like. You don't know Baby D like I know Baby D. You don't know what it's like to be with a cord, all right? The cord, crazy, all right? Listen, the best power you can get is with a cord. But Wall was known for having that detailer with the blades that I'm talking about every time I used it, somebody was either getting red behind the neck, somebody was either bleeding. The liners was lining your skin, okay? It was tearing some people off. I guess I didn't have mine adjusted right, but hey, I done used a lot of trimmers in my day, okay? So when they came and made it cordless, all right, ain't nothing changed. I was still cutting people. I don't know what it is with the blade, but I was still tearing people off, all right? But like with all trimmers, basically, all right, you gotta adjust the blade, you gotta know what you're doing, all right? Obviously, I didn't know what I was doing with that trimmer. It's a lot of people that use those trimmers. It's a lot of people that use Andis and Wall trimmers. I'm just not one of them. I use, like I said, I use Andis Slimline Pros, but I don't really rock with the Wall liners like that. Wall did hit me up recently and they're sending me their newest trimmer. So hopefully I could double back and kind of eat my words when it comes to what I feel about wall trimmers. Next trimmer company that I'm gonna talk about is StyleCraft, all right? StyleCraft has been coming with so much in such a little time, all right? Like back-to-back trimmers, back-to-back clippers. They just coming out, like I said in the beginning, they coming out with a trimmer every week. And it's two trimmers that I tried from StyleCraft that I really like, and it's the Flex. So y'all would not believe what I just got in the mail. I'm not making this up. Now, I just turned off the camera because the UPS man came and I wanted to see what he had at the door. And this package is for me, and guess what? It's from Wall. So let's dive in. Let me close the door. That's kind of crazy. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I did not expect this. I didn't know when this was coming in. I told y'all that they was hitting me up, but I did not know that this was gonna come in. But I know it's the trimmer. Shout out to Wall. This is a barber cape. All right, throw that over there. And we got a letter from Wall right here. Y'all can pause that and read that. I'm gonna read it on my own time. Appreciate it, Wall. They got a mat. Came with a mat. Now let's get into why we're here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Man, this is a big old package for such a trimmer. All right, let's open this up. You see that? Came in a special package, man. This is dope. This is definitely dope. Let me see. All right, we can open the package later. I'll probably do it on Instagram and stuff and show you guys. Let's just look at this trimmer real quick. This is hard. This is nice. It got some weight to it. Definitely feels good in hand. I don't want to turn it on too long. I gotta charge it. I'm interested in seeing how these feel. They got the USB at the bottom, US Type-C. That's dope. I could actually charge it up right now without using anything in here. Off rip, I like the weight. I like the length. I like the skinny neck that it has on it. You know what I'm saying? Pause. Blade is a TY blade. I like this kind of grip that they have on it. It's like a cutout. You could really feel it. I don't know. You could see it, but it's hard to explain. It's like really a cutout to where you could feel the grooves and stuff like that. And it definitely provides grip, which is dope. It's like lasered in. But yeah, these are the Wall High-Vis. I don't know how to say it. High-Vis trimmer. Yeah, I have a review coming out soon on these. Back to the best liners. So we were talking about these StyleCraft Flex trimmers. So basically, these are dope. They have a lot of power to them, long lasting, has light indicators basically to tell you when they're gonna die. Typical, I like the fact that they have this neck on it. I don't like the bulkiness of the Instincts, but these right here, I found to love these the most. Now, the reason why I really love these trimmers it's really because of this blade right here. All right, this blade, you put this blade on here, I'm talking about crispy. I'm talking about crispy. This modified blade go hard. I'm talking about, you gotta be careful. I'm telling you, like, be careful around that neck area. This is just front line only. Coming in at number 3, the StyleCraft Flex, all right? Especially with this blade on the back, all right? Especially with this blade on the back. The blade is everything. It's already modified. You could get it on the website. You can get this trimmer on the website. Everything is right there. These are some nice hitting trimmers, all right? Coming in at number 3. So when it comes to Babyliss, Babyliss got some heat. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. They got like 3 trimmers out right now that I rock with, all right? You got the Low Pro FX. You got the FX1s, then you got the FX3s. These ones right here, these are some Iron Mans right here. But yeah, Babyliss, they're dang near the leader in liners right now. All right, so if you can get your hands on some Babyliss, I would definitely suggest it. Always, like I said, get you some modified blades. That's gonna make your trimmers hit even more. So coming in at number 2, the Babyliss Low Pros, man. These right here, these is just beautiful. Now I ain't have nobody modify my blade yet. All right, these still hit. All right, I ain't have nobody do it, but soon as I get somebody to send me some modified blades with the blue back though, when I get somebody to modify these, I already know that these is the ones. All right, they just, to me, these just look pretty. And coming in at number 1, that number 1 spot, you already know, the Babyliss FX1s. Alright, come on, man. And it don't even have to be these ones with the battery. Like I said, it don't have to be with the one with the battery. It could be with the one with that had no battery to it, that you just plug it in and charge. I still got those too. Listen, but right now, the way that these are set up, where it comes with the battery and you get to charge it, you don't have to worry about these dying. You always got another charger, always got another battery on deck. All you gotta do is slip it in, bow, charged up, ready to go. You will never see me running around here with these dead. Impossible, all right? These dying, you just lazy. Let's just be real. You one of them barbers that don't charge your trimmers, you don't care, you coming in, it's about to die, and you really ain't up on putting it on a charger. Let's be real, because you should have already had one. You already should have had a battery on the charger. You know what I'm saying? Just take that one off, put this one in, bam, you good. All right? But y'all, listen, if you don't got these in your arsenal, you are sleeping. Why are you still running around here with anything else? I don't know, all right? This has been my top 5 trimmers. Listen, if you wanna see my top 5, if you wanna see my top 5 clippers, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know your top 5 trimmers in the comment section below as well. I'm 360 Jeezy, we out. Peace.